Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find duplicate data in Microsoft Excel. So let's say you're working on this data set. This is a table comprising detail of staff of a particular firm. So you want to check if there are duplicates. Now, it doesn't matter the number of rows or columns. You can check for duplicates. And you can do it either by rows, by column, by the whole table. All right. So let's start by, let's say, column first. You highlight the entire column. Then you navigate to conditional formatting. Click on the drop down. Highlight cell rows. Navigate to the side and locate duplicate data and click on it. Now you can see it's already highlighting a duplicate full name. All right. Jason Bryan appeared twice. All right. Click OK. So it has colored the duplicate value here. It is left for you to now do justice to this duplicate value. Okay. You can also check for duplicate value in staff ID. You know, staff ID is a unique number. There is not supposed to be two staff with the same ID. All right. So the same thing, you highlight the column, go to home, navigate to conditional formatting, click on the drop down, select highlight cell rules, then navigate down to duplicate value. Here we have two staff having the same ID, which is not supposed to be so. Okay. But there are some columns that you don't need to check for duplicates. Such columns are gender, because there will definitely be duplicate. Male, 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 female, 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 and the rest of it. Okay. Or country. Yeah, we may have 2 or 3 staff coming from different, from the same country, and we may have some from different countries. So these are some of the cells that I will not even be bothered if I see duplicate. Okay. Then you can as well check for duplicate in the whole table by highlighting the entire table. Okay. Let's remove this duplicate first. Highlight the entire table by clicking at this corner. Then navigate to conditional formatting. Then highlight cell rules. Navigate down to duplicate value. Then here you have it. So now, if you click on OK, you can see the gender row. You can see duplicate everywhere. You can see country row duplicate. So you shouldn't be bothered by these two, but your focus should be on staff ID and full names. Now you are seeing this staff is not actually like two staff having the same ID. It is the repetition of the details of one staff, which is Jason Bryan. All right. We can see him. This is the ID E8899, Jason Bryan, male from Germany. E8899, Jason Bryan, male from Germany. So obviously, we have to let go of one of these rows. Easy, easy. So now you can see the effect and the importance of checking for duplicates in your table in Microsoft Excel. So imagine if we are working on a table comprising of 1,000 rows or 4,000 rows. Checking for duplicates makes it easier for us to pinpoint which value is has been repeated, which data is showing twice or thrice, as the case may be. So this function is very important in Excel, and it makes your work easier. All right. So guys, if you find value in this video, do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question regarding this, you can simply drop it in the comment section. See you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.